Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be installing the Series LED bulbs in my 2016 Ford Explorer. Here's a part number, and what I'll do also is I'll put the link in the description below on where I purchased these. The tools you'll be needing for today for this installation is going to be one of these, a special clip remover tool. If you don't have this, you can also use a screwdriver. Real quick, just wanted to show you how these bulbs look. Once again, here's the part number. And let's go ahead and get this opened up real quick. They come individually packaged. So this is how the LED bulb looks like. The first step, we're gonna have to remove this cover right here, you see it? In order to take this off, you can either turn the wheel all the way to the left or the right. That way you can have access to that. Or you can remove the wheel off entirely and then take the cover off to have access to the halogen bulb that's in there that we're going to be replacing. Today, I'm just going to go ahead and turn the wheel all the way to the left and then all the way to the right once we're doing the right side. So you're just going to play with the bulb until you can pull it out. There you go. So here's the bulb. Going to unclip it. And now to switch it out with a new LED bulb. Now we can go ahead and put this cover back on. And that's it. All right, let's take a look to see what it looks like so far. Let's do a comparison. There's the LED, and here is the halogen. Okay, so let's repeat the same process on the passenger side. clip one. Let's go ahead and unclip this bulb. Here we go. Now let's go ahead and get this unclipped. And here's the other bulb right here. Once again. Here we go. Put the cover back on to hear click. All right, let's go ahead and do a night shot real quick. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit the like button. Also, please subscribe for more content. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and put them down below in the comment section. And I'll see you next time.